Friends, get ready for more cuteness overload. We're going to make some s'mores cups. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I got these cups at Dollar Tree. Yes, I know. I take the lid off. Now I have some puffy fabric paint. I got it from Michael's. The color is brown. And I'm going to see how there's like a ridge. I'm going to put my puffy paint nozzle there on that ridge, and I'm going to go around. Now you'll see me every once in a while. I'll kind of see how I'm going off. I'm shaking the bottle down to make sure that that paint goes to the bottom, because I will show you if you don't do that, what happens. Watch. I didn't shake it down really well. And as I'm putting a nice thick bead all the way around that ridge, you see that? So you got to just make sure you every once in a while, just shake it down so that you don't get a splat. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter if there's a splat, because we are going to just tap see how we're going to take the cup and just tap it gently. The harder you tap it, the more the drips happen more singly instead of nice, like more organized drips, I guess you'd say. But anyways, I'm just tapping it on. I have a towel and I'm just tapping it gently so that it encourages all that paint to drip. And look at it. Oh, let me show you again. Here we go. Listen, friends, I made 10 of these. Every year for vacation, my family comes out and we do a theme. And this year, the theme I made was s'mores. As you can see, if you look at my page right now, it's all about s'mores. So that's what we did. So I made 10 of these. I probably am going to make a little bit more because they're fun. And I can't wait to show you what I did with it. Like originally, I had planned on just making the s'mores cups and have them with all of the different things that I made. But it's so fun. Then it was a last minute, like, wait, we could do this. So as you see, I did the same thing with this one. I just did the nice thick bead all the way around that ridge. Then just tap your cup just so that it encourages the bead to go down the cup. And then we're going to let it dry. I mean, look at how cute this looks. Oh, I love it. So you're going to let it dry. I let mine dry for like 24 hours, but you can use a heat gun. Just be very mindful if you're using a plastic cup, because you don't want to burn it or melt your plastic cups. And here's all, this is all on my craft table, all of my wonderfulness that has to dry. So I let it dry overnight, and here it is. It's dried. Look at it's awesome. It's washable. Perfect. But then I decided, you know what? Let's make it like individual s'more cups. I know. So I put a couple things of graham crackers and then a Hershey bar. And then I'm adding some loose marshmallows. Now you could like individually bag each of these. That would be fine. But this was a last minute idea. So I put 3 marshmallows in. Then I put the lid back on with the straw and it fit. It was fine. And then I said, wait a minute, I have my bamboo skewers. Wait, I took a bamboo skewer and put it inside the straw. So now it is ready for your campfire. Like, are you kidding me? Look at how cute this is. Seriously, you could put names on them if you wanted. You could put the date for your family trip. I'm just saying, I'm freaking out. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to give them to all my family members. Ooh, so fun. All right, calm down. I know. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.